the new, she slaying the city. No makeup, just wake up and still giving them pretty. Hit the lights, camera, action, cause it's big as a movie. And grab a seat and now tune with Disastrous Beauty.
I could take a break from this world, running on a hamster wheel, but searching for something I can't feel. I just wanna be a lost girl and fly. Take a breath, feel my wings spread, levitate above the ground and make eye contact with clouds. Now I'm rising, I'm soaring above it all. I just wanna be free. Finally, finally, I wanna be free. Finally, I wanna be free. Finally, I wanna be free. Finally, I always daydreaming, never imagined I lose my spark. Living in this crazy time, putting back the pieces of my mind. I know how to run from the dark and fly. Take a breath, feel my wings spread, levitate into the clouds. I'm so high above the ground, I'm rising. I'm soaring above it all. I just wanna be free. Finally, I wanna be free. I wanna be free. I wanna be free.
Finished styling this wig, and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details and specs and all that good stuff about this unit, then please continue to watch. Alright y'all, so the unit that I am rocking was sent to me by Beauty Forever Hair. Shout out to you, Beauty Forever, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. Your girl truly appreciate it, honey. So the unit that I am rocking out is their Beauty Forever medium auburn hair color 13x4 lace front wig with baby hair, Jerry curly human hair, 150% density full color wig series. Child, I am not gonna lie to you, that is like literally the title of the wig or the name of the wig or whatever. Child, okay, so I did ask the company to send me this unit in 24 inches, so that is what I'm rocking. I'm hoping, child, okay? That's what I asked for, so I'm assuming that's what they sent. You can get this unit in either a 4x4 or a 13x4, and I wish I would have known they had it available in 13x4, because you know your girl loves good closure. Okay, I do. This unit is from 14 to 24 inches, all of those being even numbers, and as I stated, I got it in 24 inches. And I'm gonna go ahead and click on the description. So the description says the texture is Jerry curly, 13x4, but like you have the option of a 4x4. The cap size is average. The cap construction is lace front, slightly bleached knots, pre-plucked, natural hairline, glueless, baby hair around. And yeah, that's pretty much it as far as details and specs. They don't really, oh they do. Hair color is number 30. So yeah, those are the details and specs with this wig. As I stated, they said that this unit did come pre-bleached. I did decide to bleach it a little more just because, like I said, I'm on my kick these days. But it definitely did come pre-bleached just a little bit. Okay, it was slightly as they stated, but it was bleached enough that I could see that all the knots weren't dark. So there were some that were, but they weren't all dark. And after I bleached it, obviously I got the majority of them. As far as being pre-tweezed, I do agree with that as well, but it wasn't completely tweezed. I did tweeze it a little bit, not excessively, because honey, you know your girl, I'll get a bald spot here and there, but it was definitely pre-tweezed some. And it is an average cap size. So I did adjust the straps, and I do feel like I still had a whole lot of room. So I would say this unit is definitely big head friendly. I'm an average cap size, so whenever I say a unit is big head friendly, I am literally speculating, because if I have to adjust the straps, then I assume that this is big head friendly. But that, you know, child, I only got the head that's on my shoulders. So do with that what you want to do with that, girl. Okay, do with that what you want to do with it. And yeah, as far as shedding and tangling, it did shed a little bit. It was really, really minimum, but honestly, y'all, it did not tangle, which was really odd to me because it is Jerry curly, and usually curly hair does tangle a little bit. So I was a little surprised that it didn't tangle, but it didn't straight out of the packaging. And yeah, that is pretty much it as far as the details and specs go with this wig. Now, if you're interested in my pros and cons, as well as a full 360 and a lint check, then please continue to watch. Alright, so my cons with this wig is probably, it's an odd one. I would say it's the hairline. Like, I did want to do this unit without the baby hairs, but once I saw it without the baby hairs, it just gave that kind of, you know, uniform look that kind of looked like I had is it an edge up? What is it that men get? It was just kind of giving that super uniform look, and I sometimes get that with wigs, and I know that is something that you have to fix yourself, and I'm just not that person, girl. I'm still learning with the tweezing. I ain't trying to be bald and patches, so I don't know how to do that. So that would be my only con, because I feel like it's the sort of unit that you need to have to utilize the baby hairs with, or else you're gonna get that look that you have had an edge up, or whatever it's called that men get. Okay, so yeah, that is my one and only con with this unit. Okay, so as far as my pros, first of all, I love the color. I've had another unit this color, but I made it more of a fluffy look because I used my Cantu curling mousse with it. With this one, I used, I don't even know where it's at, but I used the Aussie stuff with it, and it gives it more of that wet sort of look as long as you don't touch it and run your fingers through it. But I love this color. I love the fact that it was pre-bleached, that you don't have to do the extra stuff unless you want to do the extra stuff. I also love the fact that it was tweezed, and like I said, that's something else that you don't have to do extra unless you want to do it. And I love the Jerry curly texture. Like, I love everything about this unit, other than the fact that, you know, the hairline is a little uniform. But those are my pros with this wig. Yes, I would recommend this unit, especially if you're looking for something like some color that is a safe color. I feel like 30 is just definitely a really safe color, and something that doesn't take a whole lot of work. Whenever you're kind of working with curly units, I feel like they take the least amount of work, as well as the fact that this one did come slightly pre-bleached and it came slightly tweezed. I feel like that is great and beginner friendly as far as frontals go. So yes, I would recommend this wig. Okay, so this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. And on the right side. So yeah, y'all, I am feeling this unit. Let me know down below in the comments what you guys think. Are you feeling it? Do you like it? Do you agree with everything that I said? I am interested in hearing you guys' thoughts and opinions down below. Also, if you are interested in this unit, I will have a direct link to it down below in the description box for your convenience. And once again, shout out you Beauty Forever for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly do appreciate it. And yeah, girl, that's all.
That's all.
So, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions or you feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, click that subscribe button so it's not one red cent. And if you're not ready to follow me on all my social media platforms, I am DizastrousBeauty on both IG and TikTok. TikTok. I'm Healthy Miss T on Snapchat, and I'm DizastrousBeauty on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.